My YouTube videos are now starting to catch momentum and starting to build momentum and all that kind of thing. And it's very exciting to see because most YouTube channels take a little while before you get to that. They take some time to start to build that audience. And it's almost like the YouTube algorithm needs to see that you've been really serious and consistent and keep going at it before the YouTube algorithm starts to reward you with more and more viewers.
Welcome back to Making Money with AI. I'm Dave Espino, and if you want to learn the best ways to make money using AI, then you've come to the right place. I'm inviting you to get your free AI newsletter at the link below. I've been making money online for 25 years, and I'd like to be your coach and help you make money with AI too. Okay, let's get into today's video.
Welcome back to Making Money with AI. And if you're any kind of a home-based entrepreneur like I am, every once in a while, you just got to get out of the house. So I'm taking a drive right now. I'm going to an antique mall, and I love that kind of stuff, picking and finding stuff and flipping it. I don't do it as much as I used to anymore. I'm too busy with other things, but I still enjoy it. It's part of my blood. So I'm going to do a series of videos here on the way to and from the antique mall. And these videos are all about something that we haven't really covered much on this channel yet. A very cool way to make money with AI that we haven't talked about. And it just kind of occurred to me, oh, wow, we haven't really talked about content, creating content and information products and information about AI. AI is such an explosive technology and such an explosive industry right now that the news is constantly coming hot and heavy. And one of the people that I really admire is Matt Wolf. Matt has a YouTube channel that actually inspired this YouTube channel because he was constantly coming out with the latest news and information, resources and tools about AI. And I thought, well, man, I love the idea of making money with AI, and I'm very knowledgeable about the many different ways that you can make money online. And AI is simply making those ways so much faster, easier, and better. So why don't I just start talking about ways to make money and then apply AI to make it faster, easier, and better? And that's what this channel is all about.
If you want to stay on top of the latest AI news and videos showing you the best ways to make money using AI, you should sign up for Dave's free Making Money with AI newsletter at the link in the description below. And when you sign up for Dave's free newsletter, you'll also receive a free ebook, 40 Ways to Make Money with ChatGPT, as a thank you gift. These are Dave's free gifts, and you're invited to get yours in the link in the description below.
We're also pretty much getting into a burgeoning, lucrative industry at its beginning. And that's when you want to start content. You want to start content when something is just about to trend, when something is just about to hit the critical mass, and when mass adoption is about to occur. You don't want to necessarily do it after mass adoption is hit. You kind of want to get in early, right? So in this series, I'm going to have a whole playlist on these videos. I'm going to talk about the specific ways you can make money with content, with information products. And we're going to get into all the different ways you can do it. And I'm going to give you real world examples of either how I'm doing it or how other people are doing it. And so join me along on this car ride as I go into this. In this first video, I want to talk about the strategy that I'm doing, which is YouTube, right? Creating content about AI is still, I mean, it may seem like we've been around AI for a long time, but it's still a very early business. And it's still a very lucrative, in my opinion, business model if you're getting in early. So right now I'm creating YouTube videos, content. I've got a newsletter, do a few other things in the world of AI. And the main hub, though, the main hub of this business is my YouTube videos. My YouTube videos are now starting to catch momentum and starting to build momentum and all that kind of thing. And it's very exciting to see because most YouTube channels take a little while before you get to that. They take some time to start to build that audience. And it's almost like the YouTube algorithm needs to see that you've been really serious and consistent and keep going at it. Before the YouTube algorithm starts to reward you with more and more viewers. You're also kind of building up your content library of videos so that the YouTube algorithm sees, oh, okay, we're starting to get a sense of what this YouTube channel is all about. So we're going to start to feed that channel the right kind of viewers and that kind of thing. So the YouTube business, if you call it a business, or the business model, is often done incorrectly. Now, I've been in online marketing for 25 years, so I can see the mistakes that people are making from a marketing point of view. Okay. Now, they may be doing YouTube the way everybody else does YouTube, and it's kind of the accepted way, which is that you work to build lots of views, you work to build lots of subscribers, you work to build ad revenue, right? And a lot of YouTubers just focus on ad revenue. And it's pretty common knowledge, though, that ad revenue will probably always be your smallest revenue, because the biggest revenue that you can have from a channel is going to be the things that you offer to that audience, the products that you offer, whether it's courses or newsletters or merch, swag, anything like that that you can offer. You know, Mr. Beast has his own food products and things like that, right? Because he's so big. But the bigger income will always come from those things, and the smallest income, usually, I'm saying, will come from ad revenue. So those people who are focusing only on ad revenue, on making money from AdSense, are really losing a lot of potential reward and a lot of potential return from their channel. And nothing wrong with that. You know, it's totally fine. If that's your goal and you want to build ad revenue income, totally fine. But just know that you're leaving a lot of money on the table by doing that. So I want to talk a little bit about YouTube and how important it is and how big it is right now for what we're doing. We create videos about ways to make money with AI. You could create videos about anything related to AI. You could focus just on AI images, for example, or you could focus just on AI generated video, or you could focus on ways that a local business could use AI to promote themselves, to be more productive, to be more efficient, to make more money. You could focus on any given niche. You know, the channel that I like, that Matt Wolf does, is basically it's a news channel. It's news, resources, tools, and information about AI. Well, that's something anybody can replicate. Build a channel about basically just AI news, have Google alerts, and have all these different things that notify you of the latest AI information, and just make videos about that stuff. And that's why I think his channel has blown up so fast, is because he was one of the first to do it, and to do it consistently, do it in a big way and do it consistently. And he has great videos. His quality of his videos are really great and have improved dramatically since the very beginning. I've been following him almost since the beginning. So you could do that. You could do literally just AI news and information. And before you go, well, wait a minute, Matt's already doing it, or there's all these other channels that are already doing news and information. Here's the thing about YouTube is they're not doing it the way you do it. They're not doing it with your specific personality, with your specific voice inflection, with your specific take on that news. They're not doing it that way, right? They're doing it their way. And the important thing you need to know about YouTube is your audience is out there looking for you right now. Your perfect audience, meaning the audience of people that would resonate with you specifically, right? Not Matt Wolf, not Dave Espino, not anybody else, but the audience that would resonate with you is out there looking for you, right? They're looking for their leader, let's say. They're looking for their personality, let's say. And not to say you have to have some kind of great personality or anything. They're just looking for you. The news about AI delivered the way they like it, right? And in the same way, lots of people are looking for their leader per se, or the person that they're going to follow. So don't think that you have to be some kind of special person. You have to be some kind of TV personality. You have to be outrageous. You have to be entertaining. This is a different type of YouTube, right? This is not an entertainment YouTube. This is how-to. This is news. This is information. Anybody can do that. So I want to encourage you, if you like this idea about YouTube and creating YouTube videos about AI, about news, about resources, about tools, And gosh, there's so many of them that come out constantly, right? I can't keep up with them. That you think about that, but you also think about niching your channel to a specific audience. So in my case, with Making Money with AI, we're niching it down to an audience of people that want to learn how to make money, right? They want a side hustle. They want to learn new ways to make money. Maybe they're entrepreneurs in general, and they just like hearing these many different ideas, different ways. And maybe some of these can apply to their business, right? Like once I build this channel to a certain level, I'm going to probably broaden out the topics to be more about news and resources and information for entrepreneurs rather than specific ways to make money with AI. And that's what you can do. You can niche down to a particular audience. Maybe you're a chiropractor and you're talking to chiropractors about ways to use AI in their practice. You know, maybe you're an attorney. Maybe you're somebody who's just interested in art, right? In AI generated art. And you can focus on AI generated art tools, AI generated art prompts, etc., things like that. So be thinking about that. If the idea of being a YouTuber is interesting to you, it's something that you think, wow, that would be really amazing to be able to make ongoing income that way. That is an amazing opportunity. Now, it also is kind of a long-term opportunity. I mean, with our channel, yes, we started making money month one, but that's because we already had some courses that we were wanting to put out to the market. So our courses were already made, and we were just mentioning our courses every once in a while. We started making money month one with our courses. But let me give you kind of a sense of what you can do with a YouTube channel. We have 5 different income streams with this channel. The lowest income stream is ad revenue. We make money from YouTube ads. We also make money from promoting affiliate products. That is, products where we get a special link and we mention that product in the video and people go there and buy that product and we make a commission. So that's like referral programs. We also make money with sponsored videos. People will reach out to us to make a video about their AI tool, their AI software, and we get paid for that. We also make money with online courses that are different ways to make money with AI. And we also make money with a paid newsletter. That is, when you sign up to our free newsletter here, you also have the option to join our paid newsletter. And we have lots of subscribers to our paid newsletter where we give you the latest news, information, resources, etc. So there's 5 different ways that you can monetize a YouTube channel. And I'm sure there are more ways. Those are just the ways that we're doing it. So if you decided to do content about AI and you decided to do that content on YouTube, just know there are at least 5 different ways you could monetize that and probably more. And so YouTube becomes the business. In other words, you don't have to create some business on Fiverr or on Etsy or anything like that. YouTube is the business. It is the revenue stream, right? So I wanted to share that with you, and also as a way to share with you an amazing new book that I just came out with called Exponential YouTube Marketing. And it's basically sharing all the behind the scenes things that we're doing on this channel to make those 5 income streams. It's very, very powerful marketing stuff, very powerful marketing strategies, lots of leverage that we use, meaning little things that create big results for us, big income. And it's very, very powerful. So I want to recommend that book. I'll have a link to it in the description below, or you can go to exponentialbook.com. That's exponentialbook.com and check it out there. So there you have it. That's our first in a series of ways that you can turn content about AI or information about AI into an income. Thanks for joining me, and we'll see you next time on Making Money with AI.